let's discuss the difference between emphasis of matter and key audit matter in audit reports. First up is the emphasis of matter paragraph. This special paragraph in an audit report is akin to a highlighter pen, drawing your attention to something crucial and already disclosed in the financial statements. It comes into play when there's an unusual or very important transaction, significant uncertainties, or major events. Crucially, it doesn't alter the auditor's opinion on the financial statements. Now, on to key audit matter. KAMs represent the most significant issues the auditor focused on during the audit, giving you insight into what was challenging or important in the process. Think of KAMs as behind-the-scenes info, helping you grasp the big areas of focus. Remember, emphasis of matter is about what's important in the financials, while KAM is about what's significant in the audit process. I hope that clears it up. If you want to know more, please click the link in the description for my detailed LinkedIn article.